Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today we are going to be discussed regarding the job opportunity on ServiceNow developer. So let us go through the first job opening here. Role would be ServiceNow ITSM developer they are hiring for, and description. This is the job description they have given, and experience they are expecting from the candidate is 6 years, and mode of work would be remote mode. Notice period they are offering is immediate joiner or 15 days they are offering for. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to this mail ID. And coming to the next job opening, so role would be ServiceNow developer, and experience they are expecting from the candidate is 2 years. Company is ServiceNow, and location would be Hyderabad location they are offering for. And you can verify the job description here by clicking this URL like link. You can verify this job description, and you can also send your resumes to this person like Fanindra Kumar. You can follow him and you can send your resume to that person. So coming to the next job opening here, job title would be ServiceNow ITOM developer, and locations they are offering is Hyderabad, Telangana, India, and minimum years of experience they are expecting 4 years of experience they are expecting here, and maximum 8 years, and you can expect 4 to 8 years of experience. And skill set is ServiceNow, IT, service management like ITSM, service management, skill to evaluate ServiceNow, other IT service management, system automation, scripting, JavaScript and PowerShell. These are all the skills they are expecting from the candidate. And job type would be full-time employment. They are offering here. This is the job description. So let us go through the job description here. Develop, configure, and manage ITOM schedules, credentials, patterns, and props, mid servers, event sources, connections, and agents. Monitor and troubleshoot ITOM performance issues and errors, and validate and reconcile ITOM data with configuration management database. Identify and resolve ITOM conflicts, duplicates, and orphan records. So these are all the skills they are expecting from the candidate, and also they are expecting is ITOM with other ServiceNow applications and MOD as ITSM, ITAM, security operations, etc. So these are all the skills they are expecting from the candidate. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, can go through this mail. They didn't provide any mail, so you can go through this like you can follow up this particular person like Samant Kumar Reddy. So you can follow him and you can send your resume directly to that person. So coming to the next job opening, role would be a technical support engineer, and this is the skill set ServiceNow developer, and experience they are expecting from the candidates 2 years of experience, 2+ years of experience. So if you are interested for this job opening, you can apply through this link they are provided here. So coming to the next job opening is regarding ServiceNow developer, and skills required ServiceNow developer, ITSM integration and any modules like HRSD, ITAM, ITBM, SAM, HAM, CSM, GRC. If you have these modules, you can be applicable for the job opening. So location would be Chennai location they are offering for, and experience 3 to 10 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate, and notice period is immediate joiner or 30 days of notice period they are offering here. So if you are interested, you can share your updated CV to this mail ID like manjushri@vysystems.com. So you can send your resumes to that particular mail ID, or else you can follow Manjushri and you can send your resumes here directly through LinkedIn page. So coming to the next job opening is like senior service now engineer, and location would be remote location. CTC open for right candidates, so they are expecting some CTC, preferable CTC. So they are offering here, and please share your like resume to this mail ID they have given here. So these are all the skill sets. If you have these skills, and you can be applicable for the job opening. like 7+ years of experience in ServiceNow implementation and consulting roles, and proven expertise in designing and implementing ServiceNow architectures and enterprise scale organizations. Strong integration experience using REST, SOAP, JSON, and other APIs. So, if you are interested for the job opening, you can apply through this mail, or else you can directly ping Swapna Borasi and you can send your resumes there. Let us go to the next job opening. So coming to the next job opening, skills required for that particular job opening. This coming to the next job opening here, skills required ServiceNow developer, ITSM integration, scripting, any modules, and job location would be Pan India location they are offering, and experience they're expecting from the candidates 5 to 12 years of experience. Notice period they are offering is 3 months of notice period, like 90 days. So if you are interested for this job opening, you can share your updated CV to this mail ID, or else you can directly send your resumes through WhatsApp. This is her WhatsApp number. So coming to the next job opening, they are hiring for multiple positions like ServiceNow solution architect, lead ServiceNow developer, like pro code they are expecting from the candidate, and ServiceNow low code no code developers, and a ServiceNow implementation specialist like business analyst, UI UX designer ServiceNow QA testing specialist, project manager, delivery lead, and ServiceNow. So these are all the positions they are offering here. If you have, if you are interested for these positions, and if you have these skills, you can send your resumes to this mail ID, or else you can follow Mahanur Iftikhar and you can send your resumes to her. So coming to the next job opening here, so company name would be IDAM Technologies, and role they are expecting from the candidate ServiceNow developer, technical lead, architect, ITSM, ITOM, custom modules they are expecting from the candidate, and location is hybrid Pune location. So they are expecting the candidate have full-time IDM technologies. Skills they are expecting from the candidate: ServiceNow integration, ITSM, ITOM, custom apps, SPM, APM, GRC, IRM. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to this mail ID. So you can send your resumes to this mail ID, or else you can follow Madhu Chinta and you can send your resumes to Madhu. And next job opening is like a ServiceNow developer. Experience they're expecting from the candidate 3 years of experience, and location is Hyderabad. And it would be a day shift. And interested, if you are interested for this job opening, you can send your resumes to Vinay Kumar, or else you can directly call to this number and you can share your details to this number, like to this person Vinay Kumar. This is his number, 9951 89954. So you can send your resumes, or else you can call him and you can convey the message to him that you are interested for the job opening. So coming to the next job opening, role would be ServiceNow developer administrator, and like location they are offering for Hyderabad location, and salary they are offering here 5 to 10 LPA up to 30% of hike they are offering from for your current salary, like current CTC. So it would be a C2H mode, contract to hire, and notice period they are offering is immediate joiner or 30 days, like 1 month they are offering here. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can share your resumes to this Pawan Bairu at the rate technoglobal.com. So if you're interested for the job opening, if you have these skills, you can send your resumes to Pawan Bairu, or else you can follow him, Pawan Kumar B, and you can send your resumes to him directly. So coming to the next job opening here, job title would be ServiceNow developer, and experience they are expecting from the candidates 4 to 6 years of experience, and location is Hyderabad location. they are offering for. And job type would be contract to hire CTH, and it would be a long term contract, and the notice period they are giving is 15 days or an immediate joiner. So these are all the key responsibilities like ServiceNow administration and configure the ServiceNow platform, ensuring that it operates efficiently and is aligned with the organization's ITSM service management, like customization, development, design, develop, and customize service now applications. So these are all the modules and skills they are expecting from the candidate. And if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, then send your resumes to this particular mail ID. They are provided here. I think last, yeah. So you can send your resumes to this particular mail ID, or you can contact through WhatsApp also. This is his number. You can send your resumes to that WhatsApp number. That's all for today's topic. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. Thank you.